Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be doing a collection of my herbs. So this is going to be not really the second in my collection series, because I have done last year books, ritual oils, and like teas and other magical ingestibles, and probably other collections that I'm just not thinking of off the top of my head. But what I really like about this series now is that I'm taking things that I have like a large amount of, and as I organize it, I'm able to share with you A, what I have, and B, how I've organized it. So this is not extensive because I've split mine a little bit differently. So things that are incenses, so my smoke bundles, my frankincense, myrrh, and other concoctions such as that are going to be in a different video. I consider them like my incense aromatic section. It's a different section for me. And things that are edible, that I would use for eating only, are also in a different segment, with the exception of these spices. And clearly this is just like straight out of my kitchen, but that's how I most often use it, is in food. Heat, passion, other delicious things that peppers add. So that's what I use this for. You can definitely use it to make powders and such, but that's a little bit more painful, and I don't have direct experience with that. So I'll start with the culinary ones that I pulled off the shelf to kind of show you what I do use pretty regularly. So paprika, oregano, and you do know that I have like it planted in the garden as well. Cumin is really it's really good for a variety of things, but especially for food, and it's very warming and really rich, adds a nice richness, and I think love to the food. Basil I also have outside. These are not fancy. This is not like apothecary level shit, but it's real life. Mustard and nutmeg. These are all really good for a wide variety of uses, that we can talk about in the future, and that you probably already know because you've used it in that manner. So then to be honest, I haven't finished organizing my stuff at the beginning of this video. I've been kind of like, when you have such a big job to do, you're kind of paralyzed as to how to start, and that's that's where I've been. So I have it kind of comparted off. So this box here is large amounts of things that need to be put up. So I have cinnamon sticks. I have a whole bunch of witch's burr from my friend Dawn Nightbloom. I got a giant, this is catnip. This is lavender, and I've got a ton of lavender. And I'm planting lavender. Calendula. Sorry about the interruption. I got distracted. So basically I have a whole bunch of cinnamon in here. I have some witch's burrs. I've got a giant thing of catnip, giant thing of lavender, which I have tons of lavender all over the place. Calendula, which I also have a lot of. Lemon verbena, calendula, and elderberries. So let's check this out. So I have some in big jars, rosemary, and even these this is star anise. Even these I will still need to condense elderflower, because I have multiples. Big jar of sage. I like the jars though. Cinnamon sticks, which I obviously have over there. Chicory root. Wormwood. Mugwort. Allspice. I've got hibiscus. And then 2 things of peppermint. Probably way more than 2, but those are it so far. And then I have, let's see, this is a mint from a friend, but it doesn't specify peppermint or not. Pieces of cinnamon from a friend. So that'll go with my cinnamon collection over here. These are rose hips. More lavender. Galangal. Wormwood again. Wormwood. Lots of them. Hold on. More mugwort. Marjoram. Mustard seed. Marjoram. Nettle leaf. And this one I'm not sure, but it looks like maybe sage or olive. I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up. This was gifted to me. Let's check these out. So I have 3 little sachets of lavender here. I have actually a ton of lavender. They smell great. I love lavender, but I'm kind of putting things together so that I can have them a little more organized. Strawberry leaf. Chrysanthemums. Hey honey. Blue cornflower. I love the way that looks. So here's more sage. I'm gonna put with this other sage. Olive leaf, which I'm thinking that this and this are the same. And then we have yerba santa. I think I got a ton of that too. Chamomile. This is stinging nettle from my area. Got it at my market. Bay leaves. Oak. We got passion flower and echinacea. Calendula. It's gonna go with the other calendula right over here. Saley, which is willow bark. Yerba santa is going to go with the other yerba santa. Spearmint. I don't have spearmint yet. Rose petals, I got a ton of all over the place. More bay leaves. And yarrow. So I'll get that kind of organized. And then all of these little bitty ones. So let's kind of just start going through them. Red clover. Eucalyptus, so that's kind of nice. I don't think I have any of the eucalyptus. Linseed. Galangal. So galangal I have powdered. I'm not gonna combine them then. The sheen is allspice, so I'm gonna put that over with the other allspice. Where's the allspice? Right there. Grape holly. I'll have to remember what Gaxels is. I'm gonna put that aside because I don't remember what that is. Goat's rue. Its own little herb. Willow bark can go over with other willow bark. White oak can go with the other oak. Wild endive root. Jasmine. I used to have a lot of jasmine, but I started giving it away more, and I brought my stock of it way down, so that was kind of good. Pardon me. Dandelion leaf. Here's more jasmine. Put those in a little pie. Lobelia. And this is passion flower. Which I feel like I had passion flower. Yes, I do have a pile of passion flower. I'm going to combine those. Hawthorn berries. Damiana. Lavender. I do have a whole bunch of lavender. I'm going to have to look up what Artemis herb is. Lemon balm. I do not have. Okay, lemon balm. Bay leaf. It's going to go with the other bay leaf, but it's different. Kind of broken up. So this one's ginger. And lemongrass. Chrysanthemums I have over here. Orange peel. oak bark I have over in a pile over. Where did I put that oak bark? Right here. Pumpkin seeds, slippery elm, rosemary. I have one right here. Carrigan, raspberry leaf, lemon peel, wild cherry bark, acorns. I have a lot of acorns. Herba John, so St. John's wort. Here's some more rose petals. Put them over there with other rose petals. We've got more allspice, which I'll put right over here with the other ones. I don't remember what boneset is, but I'm pretty sure that that's the actual name of the herb is boneset. So yarrow, I've got yarrow. Oops, wormwood. I've got a lot of. Where'd the wormwood pile go? This is the wormwood pile. Peppermint leaf. I've got a lot of peppermint pile. Mandrake root. I don't have a lot of, so that's kind of cool. Sunflower seeds. Raspberry leaf. I think I just had that one, so I'm going to put them in a little pile together. Snake bite. I don't know what that is. I'll have to look it up. Devil's nettle. Put these over here. These are ones I have to look up. Artemis herb. Blind eyes. No, blind eyes are poppies. So it's poppy. Bay leaf. I'm going to put with other bays. 7 barks. I've got to look up what the 7 barks are. This is clove. Masterwort. Queen of flowers is rose petals. Birch. Hyssop. Marjoram. Wild lettuce. Marigold, which technically is calendula, but different, a little bit different. Juniper. Lemon balm. I feel like I had lemon balm around here somewhere. Did I not? Yes, 2 lemon balms. So I'll combine those. Watercress. More rose petals. Skullcap. Sorry, skullcap. Garden ginger. So I did have another ginger around here somewhere. So I'll put those together. Oops. Hello, sorry. Sweet wood is cinnamon, so I'll put that with other cinnamon. Pepper. Lemon peel. I have that one twice. So these lemon peels will go together. Bay leaves, I have more over here. Then I'll have to try and go back through my videos and find out what this is, but let me give it a sniff. Spicy. Maybe allspice or maybe like a mix of it. I'm not sure. Just go through my list of herbs here. Okay, so hibiscus, sage, rosemary, allspice, mugwort, peppermint, sugary root, wormwood, cinnamon sticks, elderflower, star anise, elderberry, bay leaves, calendula, yerba santa, passion flower, olive leaf, blue cornflower, willow, spearmint, lemon verbena, stinging nettle, lavender, oak, echinacea, strawberry leaf, mistletoe. So those are in the little jars. They're already in my what do you call them? I'll go grab it. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So what was that? Mistletoe. And goticola, which is Centilla asiatica. Of course, we got some more rosebuds here, so I'm going to put that with other ones. And mugwort, which I've got some, put them all together. And alfalfa leaf, which is the only one of this that I have. Jasmine, garden ginger, acorns, rose, pine cones. Of course, I have lots. Witch's burrs, chrysanthemum, carrigan, pepper, clove, raspberry leaf, watercress, hyssop, slippery elm, lobelia, lemongrass, linseed, yarrow. So yarrow is devil's nettle. We were looking through that, and I was going to say, oh yeah, I'm going to find Devil's Nettle. Devil's Nettle is Yarrow. Orange peel, marigold, marjoram, pumpkin seed, wild endive root, damiana, juniper, hawthorn berries, wild cherry bark, red clover, masterwort, wild lettuce, goat's rue, boneset, lemon peel, birch, St. John's wort, blind eyes are poppies, grape holly is also Oregon grape, rose hips, galangal, chamomile, mustard seal, sunflower seed, mandrake root, dandelion leaf, and alfalfa. So I never found the names of those last three. I'll have to go back through my inserts and see what they were. So I'm just gonna organize this a little bit and hopefully show you guys the finished organized product. All right, so these are as far as I got today. So I've got them, a lot of them in little containers on this little shelf here that my husband did. He says, oh, Scotch tape, that's really witchy. Well, he doesn't know the miracles of Scotch tape and witchcraft. So let's just move on. Sorry, I'm in the middle of updating this, and so it's kind of dusty. All right, so these are all my herbs. Everything's kind of labeled. I severely underestimated how many jars I would need, so I still have some in these little containers. But everything else, so I've got like the calendula and this big thing here, peppermint, star anise, this is all lavender, elderberries. Basically everything we reviewed is now in pretty jars in one area. And I still have my list so I can know, and as I get more herbs, I will have to add more shelving, which we're talking about anyways in the pantry. So I think that there will probably be a home for herbs that would be things like tea, so like yarrow, I really like for medicinal tea, as well as elderberries, chamomile, peppermint, things like that that can double as both magical and food is what will go in that shelf that my husband's going to build me. And then these ones would be for more of the very specific things. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my collection of herbs. Not, you know, my apothecary is not complete. It's still got a way to go, and I'm learning how to grow herbs to kind of augment it and get more of my favorite things really stocked up. But here it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Bye.